Hey everyone, so these are the wireless earbuds that I got from, I believe it's Jxrev, and I have to say they are pretty impressive for the price. I think I paid like 30 bucks for them, and for that price point, this is a great wireless earbud. They connect really well. There's some controls on the side. That's how you do the volume up and down, and they're just a really great affordable earbud. The biggest difference between these and Apple earbuds is the logo, but honestly, they sound good, they pair good, pretty good build quality. For the price, if you're looking for something cheap and affordable, it's the way to go. I run to the gym with these, I sweat in them, and I have not had any issues. This is kind of this rib thing right here that helps you, with your controls and stuff. I would highly recommend you buy these if you're looking for a inexpensive alternative to Apple earbuds.
So, test the sound, very good actually. Very good sound, and actually another cool thing is it does not, it actually does not fall. So it is a magnet. So just in case you put it in the bag and then cap open, you're not going to lose this. Very sturdy, very good quality. I don't think the case is wireless charging. I tested it. It's only charging from here, but it does hold like 6 hours of charge for the headset, so your headset can be recharged at least one or twice before you have to recharge the case. So great for any use.
I am unlocking the J51 True wireless headset, and I'm just opening it up. This is the wireless headset, and it just comes with some accessories and a manual. It could be a charging cable. Let's check that out. It's a USB-C charging port, and it just comes with some warranty information. I want to open it up. So it seems to be very lightweight and small one. It looks good. Let me pair with my Android phone and see what happens. I'm going to pump the settings, into connections, and Bluetooth. Trying to see if these devices are coming up. Yeah, it came up, J51. Pairing seems very straightforward. It's already paired. So I'm going to do some music play. You can hear it. You can watch the sound. The voice is very clear. The voice is very clear. I can look at very close views, very tiny, and you can fit small s too, because whenever I buy the big one, it seems to be a little complicated. And this is extra charging, so whenever after use you can put it back, it continues charging. And you can use this USB cable to charge. Yeah, overall it looks good. And if you want more information, you can look at the manual. Yeah, I'm going to do some more use, then I'll post another video. Thanks for viewing.